Hi, my name is Craif Morrison. I'm a representative of the Electronic Caregiver Company, and I invite you to watch a little video I put together and hope that you agree with me that we have the best personal emergency response system on the market today. In fact, we're saving lives 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. Enjoy. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as we did making it. Should you have any questions, or if you would like to place an order, I can be reached at 352-317-8992. The Electronic Caregiver Company, monitoring the safety of seniors, the chronically ill and disabled through rapid response, medication reminders, and inactivity monitoring 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. I look forward to hearing from you. Have a great day.